Hi, this video is from interview.com. Interview.com is a job portal. If you're looking for a job, you can log on to interview.com and you can post your resume with us. In this video, I'm going to talk about simple Java entry question: how to write properties to a file using Java. Java properties file is used to store project configuration data or settings, anything that you want to read from outside the application. Okay, without hard coding in your Java code, you can just read from the property file and start using it within your application. The advantage is here is you don't have to recompile. If you hard code the same value in your program, you have to recompile it and do a lot of stuff. But the moment you have it in your property file, you can just change it in the property file and restart your server. It will be picked up. Say error messages, lot of things are there. Error message you want to change, some configuration file you want to change. Okay, like that you can use. So this is the property file I'm talking about. Property class is a subclass of hash table that can be read from or written to a stream. It also provides a capability to specify a set of default values to be used. This is the class I'm talking about. This is inside the Java util package, and you can set values. That is a method called set property. You can set values with key and value. Okay, and this is how it looks like after you store the these values to the property file. This is the property file that we are trying to create, and there is important method, store method, and you can give file input stream, the parameters file output stream, sorry, and you can give the file name. It will be created in your root folder. So store method will create the file for you, and before that I want to just show you the properties file from the Java util package. I have opened the properties file using the Java decompiler from my Java environment. I opened this rd.jar from my Java environment. So this is the properties file which is under Java util package. It is extending from the hash table, and it has method called set properties. If you give two parameters, it uses the hash tables put method, and there are load methods, other methods which will read the properties from the property file, and it will load. Let's debug and check how exactly it works. So I'm going to create the object for property. Okay, I'm going to set the value. I'm going to call that method store. Okay, now it should have created the property file with all these 4 values. So these are the 4 values we set here from the program, and it has created a file with these 4 values. So if you want to change the DB password in future, you can change the password and restart your server. This new password that you updated, it will be picked up by the server and start using it. So this is the advantage of using property file in your application. Hope this video is useful for your interview preparation. Thank you and all the best.